Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. In this video I'll show you how to set up the nearby share on your NOKIA X20. First, you need to open the control panel and find here nearby share. It's here. Tap and hold on it. Wait a while. Choose Add or Verify. Scroll down, choose Yes I mean. And now you can change your device name. Then you can make your device visible. In my case, I'll use visible for everyone and keep everyone mode on all the time. Then just choose your preferred data usage mode. Data mode, it's the best mode because it's including Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and mobile data. And now you can send or receive data using nearby share. Only activate nearby share and try to receive something. For example, on the another phone, choose share by nearby. Wait a while. Hard Nokia. Choose accept on your device. Wait a while and cool. Photo was sent. Thank you for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel and bye!